All right, we're trying to find this noise. Hear it? Where's it at? You think it's in here? It's in here. We found it. What is it?
Oh, it's her pad. Right? Or is that her pad?
Oh my God. We've been looking everywhere. Yep. This right here. Oh my gosh. When we told Alexa. When we told Alexa to set a timer. Oh, shut up. We ain't talking to you because you didn't freaking do what we asked you to do, Jerry. But this did. This set the timer. Hey, it went off. The fire. Whatever this freaking thing is called. I was like, it sounds like the alarm, but Alexa didn't let the alarm go off. So we literally was looking everywhere for this. Like, all over the place. We're like this. Trying to find it upstairs, downstairs. Oh, you found it.